Welcome to your journey into the exciting world. In 2025, day trading represents an opportunity for those eager to take control of their financial futures. Day trading involves buying and selling assets within a single day, capitalizing on the market's small price fluctuations. Picture the thrill of executing trades swiftly, timing each decision like a conductor leading a symphony of financial opportunities, free from the constraints of overnight holds. Before embarking on your trading ventures, it's essential to establish the right setup. Imagine sitting at your trading desk with the perfect blend of technology and information at your fingertips. You'll need a reliable trading platform that allows you to execute trades with precision, a fast internet connection to capture the best moments, and a brokerage account that minimizes your costs. Picture your comfortable workspace, designed to maximize your focus and efficiency as you delve into the intricacies of market trends. Once your setup is complete, let's explore the winning strategies that can shape your trading success. Visualize yourself using the momentum trading strategy, where you ride the wave of stocks moving sharply in one direction, tapping into their energy. Alternatively, the breakout trading strategy, where you anticipate significant price movements when stocks break through critical support or resistance levels, ignites a rush of adrenaline, allowing you to seize potentially lucrative opportunities. With the right tools and strategies, you can navigate the markets confidently, ready to tackle the exciting world of day trading. Scalping, making multiple quick trades throughout the day to collect small but frequent profits. Pullback trading, buying during minor price dips within an uptrend. WAP trading, using the volume-weighted average price to find good entry and exit points. Range trading, identifying stocks that move between set highs and lows and trading within that range. News-based trading, taking advantage of sharp price movements caused by breaking news. Each strategy requires discipline, patience, and practice. So before you start throwing money into the market, let's talk about risk management. 4 risk management mistakes to avoid. Did you know that 90% of day traders lose money? That's because they ignore risk management. Here's how to protect your capital and stay in the game. Never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. This keeps you from blowing up your account after a few bad trades. Use stop-loss orders. Always have an exit plan to cut losses early. Avoid revenge trading. If you lose money, don't overtrade. Quality over quantity. Taking too many trades leads to mistakes and exhaustion. Manage leverage wisely. Using too much leverage can wipe out your account faster than you think. Understand market trends. The market is always changing. Adapt your strategies accordingly. Keep a trading plan. A detailed plan will keep you from making impulsive, costly mistakes. If you follow these principles, you'll survive and thrive in the markets. But what about psychology? 5. The mindset of a successful day trader. Day trading isn't just about charts and numbers. Your mindset is what separates winners from losers. Here's how to develop a strong trader's mentality. Stay disciplined, follow your strategy. Don't deviate based on emotions. Accept losses. Losses are part of the game, manage them wisely and move on. Be patient. Not every day is a trading day, wait for the best setups. Keep learning. Markets change and so should your strategies. Stay updated. Surround yourself with other traders. Join trading communities to share insights and learn faster. The best traders treat this like a business, not a hobby. Now let's wrap things up. Congratulations. You now have a solid foundation in day trading for beginners in 2025. Let's quickly recap. Day trading means buying and selling within the same day. You need the right tools, strategies, and risk management. Avoid common mistakes like overtrading and revenge trading. A strong mindset is key to long-term success. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future money-making strategies. Keep learning, keep earning. See you in the next video. Until next time, keep learning, keep earning, and happy trading.